Welcome back to Half A Hot Rods. If you haven't been here before, my name's Adam, and I am a guy with no particular amount of skill, talent, money, time. Well, I don't have all the right tools, but I'm here to show you that you can have fun with old cars and trucks, like this 57 Chevy, even without all those things. So come on this week as we figure out how to make some stuff work that doesn't belong on this truck, never should be on this truck, but we're going to make it work because that's what we got to do. Here we go. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to driving this truck down the road, registering it and driving it legal on the public roadways. But you can see that in the taillight area, we're somewhat lacking. The good news is most of the wiring is already done. Come here and take a look at this. So this is all the 97 harness, right? Just the way it was in the other truck. I taped and labeled this one driver tail. This one's labeled passenger tail. This one I can figure out by context clues because that's a trailer plug. And this is some farmer work there. I mean, I'm sure it worked at one time. Yeah. So that's going to need addressed eventually, but today's not eventually. Anyway, eventually we're going to cut this bed down, we're going to put some fancy lights in it, we're going to make some changes, but for right now we just need some temporary tail lights and brake lights and signals. So I have these guys that we took off the camper we scrapped out for Chesney's bus, and they've been in my shop for 2 or 3 years now, so they're mine. And we're just going to hopefully screw them to the backing plates where the old lights were and make them work as a temporary fix until we're ready to really figure out what we're doing with the bed. And by temporary, it could mean forever. So here we go. Let's figure out what's got power back here, which hopefully everything still has it where it should.
That's called foreshadowing.
And see if we can make these lights work. And if we can, we're probably just going to screw them right to the plates and call it good. So, yeah. I'm going to bet that this is the ground. This is probably the reverse light, which I don't care about. We're just trying to get stop, tail, and turn. So, let's take these apart. I guess first let's start by applying a ground. So I'm not going to worry about this one. I don't care if this has reverse lights with this setup. The odds of me doing much at night with this truck are slim and none. Here. Hey, we got a light. Okay. Let's try the other one. And we got a brighter light, I think. So, green's going to be tail, and black is going to be stop and turn. See if we've got brake lights. I just jammed a pry bar in there between the brake light, or the brake pedal, and the. That's not good. Okay.
Good, great, grand, wonderful.
Not ideal. So far, the only thing we found is taillights. Alright, time to review the manual and come back. I'll be back. Okay, so I've been playing around with the test light and wires and stuff, and I figured out where my turn signals and tail lights all are. I and marked them where the reverse light should be. One side works, the other side doesn't. And trial and error, hooked them up to here till they work the way they should. So this also needs to be grounded. And I'm thinking that by just screwing this to the metal plate behind it, it'll probably be grounded enough. We're about to find out. And then I'll just butt connect these to the harness, and that'll be good enough. Good enough for who it's for now. Let's see. Find a couple self-tappers and we'll zip this thing together. Whoop. Probably hit her a little bit with a wire brush just to improve our ground possibilities. That'll probably be good enough. I don't know if this is going to work at all, so I'm just playing it by ear. There, that wasn't so bad. We'll see if that works for our ground. Okay, let's see if we manage what we want. We got a light. Oh, we got a light. Got a signal? Sure do. Still got no brake lights, which I don't know what the deal is there. Well, now I'll get into there and butt connect those. How about that? And the front ones are still working. So we need the greens go to the opposite. Okay. Get this bad boy mounted. I'll be dipped. How about that? Oh yeah, look at that light. Yeah, we just got to figure out why we don't have brake lights, which is a 97 problem, not a taillight problem, so rock on. Might need to assess the brake light issue with helper when I've got somebody to press that brake pedal and we can test and look and test and look and all that. So we'll come back to this another day. I'm here with an update. The update is the truck is not in gear, so you shouldn't lean against it. And I figured out the brake lights. I checked fuses, I checked the relay, what else did I do? Okay, what do we do? Oh yeah, replaced the brake switch on the back of the pedal, and then started digging through wiring. And wouldn't you know it, you're supposed to have to push in the clutch to start these trucks, the 97, and it didn't have to have that. But I found a plug that was unplugged. And when you plug that back in, guess what? The brake lights work, the clutch safety switch works. Let me show you. Brakes, 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 brakes. That's good stuff, huh? So now we got brakes. We got turn signals. And we got tail lights. And it won't start unless the clutch is pushed in. My legs are out. Still gonna make sure it's in neutral. I stand corrected. I don't know what's going on with the clutch. But I'm not worried about that, because I won't start it in gear. Probably. Well, there it is. We used the wrong parts. We eventually figured out how to get them working. And now the lights are done. We're that much closer to going to the road. But we're not quite there yet. What we are ready for is to do a little work with it. Let's get it to work around the yard.
Watch out, guys. Move or to lose it. Be funny if I could get her head butting the hay bale on the video. Watch out. Oh, there she goes. Oh, scratchy, scratchy. Stop.
Get out of the way, old cow.
Uh-oh. Dragging it. Let go.
Alright, it's still in the pin, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So flip it.
Flip it.
Now back up. There you go. There you go. Oh, shoot. You're not on the green anymore.
I think we're okay.
Yeah, you're barely off. Here comes the bale. I'm just kidding.
Again, jiggity jig.
If you like what we're doing here, check out some of the other videos, see how we got it this far. Click like, subscribe, come back and see us on some of the other stuff, the square body stuff, the Bel Air stuff, the Omega stuff. And as always, remember, if I can do it, you can do it. We'll see you next time.